This could be, dude, we're gonna make this a 10-second car.
That's crazy.
Easy.
That's absolutely insane. I don't understand what 10-second car meant until I saw a car do that. And I'm like,
pretty quick.
it's pretty quick.
I didn't. I'm an 8-second type of guy.
You're a 9-second type of guy because you misshifted, but
No,
like
I still made 8s. I made 8, 9. A few days ago, you guys saw us install a downpipe in Calvin's Mark V Toyota Supra, and today we're going to be going just a little bit farther and taking some steps towards putting in a charge pipe. Now, off the bat, I want to say a huge shout out to Keys Motorsport for sending these parts out to us. If you guys are interested in parts for this car, be sure to check them out. I'll link them down below. Now, off the bat, one of the reasons why you want to upgrade your charge pipe when modifying your car is because whenever you turn up boost in turbocharged cars, the charge pipes are made of plastic, and they always tend to fail at some point when you turn up the boost. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. This is actually going to be quite simple today. We're just going to be removing off this charge pipe right here and replacing it with all the metal ones. But you'll notice, this is plastic. Plastic is not good when we're going to be turning up the boost.
because what happens is, as you're turning up boost, more compressed air, the pressure increases, the heat increases, and eventually the plastic part fails. It'll crack and then you lose boost pressure. No air to the turbo, no air to the engine. Rip.
So although right now we are not going to be increasing boost, but we will be in the next week or so. So be sure to stay tuned for that. But we're going to go ahead and take precautionary measures and go ahead and throw in this charge pipe today. So what we did that we didn't film is we simply just removed the airbox of the car that's sitting right here. It's a lot of big pieces. It literally took Calvin 30 seconds of pulling on clips to get that out. It was super, super easy. But once doing that, he opened up a lot more room to the downpipe, to the turbo. You guys can actually see, there's a turbo right there. And what's awesome is look at how small this manifold is. That manifold is puny. Because it's insanely small, which is awesome when it comes to swapping out turbos and all that type of stuff, which we have a new turbo sitting over there for this car, but we'll get to that probably later in the week. But wow, really cool to see that.
Really easy. What's cool about it is the manifold is internal with the head of the car, if you didn't know that.
So what we're doing is, here's the pipe that we disconnected from the intake manifold, and Calvin literally just pulled out the clip from the bottom of the turbo, and it's gonna take actually a little bit of wrestling to get this out, so let's do that for a sec. So there's pretty much like a retainer clip holding in the bottom of the charge pipe to the turbo, which Calvin just pulled out. And it's pretty much, we're just like wrestling this out of the way. Oh my God. Do I smell that? It smells like Chinese food. Dude.
Dude, help me get this out.
Hold on, it smells like Chinese food over here. That's disgusting.
What is this?
That's so gross.
I don't know. There's a little oil on there.
So your coolant pipe is in the way, and whatever this is. You gotta like, you keep touching your alternator and it's burning me.
Ow! Ooh! I just touched the turb ski, bro. That's hot.
I might be able to pull this out though.
I don't think so, maybe.
It's always interesting doing this for the first time because we don't know like
what's going on.
The best way to do it yet. We're just kind of pulling and figuring it out.
Sticking my hand in there is mocha ass.
While Calvin burns his little fingies.
My little chicken tendies.
It's getting caught on something.
Yeah, the big hose. Get back to this hose. It's not bright.
I don't know how to remove it. You guys would be surprised on how much of an arm wrestle this is to get it out.
Oh man. There's like, the hoses are tight now.
You have to like thread it through the coolant lines, which is like where we're finding a struggle, but it's almost there.
I don't think it'll come out. If you look at it, the hole is too big. Feel around. Look, there's no space. Oh, and she's out. That was a nightmare. So notice, all plastic. When Calvin cranks up his boost, this thing would eventually break. So we're gonna be replacing this for a nice metal one and put it all back. But that's pretty cool. Look at that. You can see the whole front side of the turbo. All of the turbo, all of the stuff. Cool, man. Let's swap. We're gonna swap over these sensors and put the new clips together on the new one and throw it in. was easy.
Putting them in is super easy. So we'll go ahead and put these bolts into the intake manifold, tighten up the bands, reassemble everything, and then she's ready for the dyno.
Done deal, Pete. Done deal.
Let's reassemble it all. Looks like a professional did that install.
Technically, we're professionals now, Teach.
No, we're not.
We get paid for it.
Okay. All right, all said and done, that's what she looks like. The only aftermarket thing you'll really notice when looking at it is you'll notice that rather than a plastic pipe, you have a metal pipe, and then you can almost see the hose clamps right there, but that's it, and that's satisfying.
Oh,
So the next things that we have to do, Cal, we have to get you on the dyno.
It's not stick.
So dude, you're gonna have, now you officially have a car that is more modified than me. How's that feel?
I mean, it feels good.
I'm proud of you. You've never had a car that has more, and now you have one more thing.
Look at us. Who would have thought? Not me.
Whoa, take it easy, killer. It's cold. It's cold. Like I said, I got the turbo for my car. We have the upgraded turbo right here, but because my car is still like 2, 3.
Give it to Calvin, Shots boy.
I am giving it to Calvin. I'm gonna let Calvin take it.
Scared of it.
So,
But below, this is all the bits.
yeah, but dude,
Super
looking
easy.
at how easy it was to access the turbo on that, dude, when we do this, it's gonna be just a
10
few
minutes
hours.
again.
Swap it all out, and then we'll go back to the dyno again. So now,
If you guys don't remember, when I was on my downpipe and exhaust and tune, I think we made a little over 400 wheel. Calvin, before he had his downpipe, he got his car dynoed and Bill tuned it. He made like 20 horsepower less than me without a downpipe. Now Calvin has a downpipe and he has charge pipes. So now, who knows? I'm curious to see what Bill will be able to crank out of it. And then we have our flex fuel tune that we still need to do.
And then
And then we have the turbo. So the question is for you guys, would you guys rather see us dyno the car with the charge pipes and the down pipes on 91 and then go to the turbo and dyno again? Or should we do dyno on 91 like this, then dyno on E85
Like
and
this.
then go to the
Oh,
turbo
no.
and then see what we can get? Let us know.
That'd be really cute.
Yeah, there's a couple different ways we can go about it.
Yeah, let's do it.
So
That'd be so sick.
and I don't know what's best for us. Should we do the E85 last? Should we wait till after the turbo? Do it before the turbo? I don't know. I'm excited though.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm scared and excited. I've never had a fast car. This thing's already fast.
Yeah, it's gonna rip, dude. This could be, dude. We're gonna make this a 10-second car.
That's crazy.
Easy.
That's absolutely insane. I don't understand what 10-second car meant until I saw a car do that, and I'm like,
pretty quick.
it's pretty quick.
I didn't. I'm an 8-second type of guy.
You're a 9-second type of guy because you misshifted, but
No,
like
I still made 8s. I made 8-9.
okay, all right.
I made 8-9.
All right.
I know that I want to make my Supra a 9-second car.
Jesus.
Mine will 100% be a 9-second car. And you might beat that before me. Depends when I get my car back. But we'll see.
I'm sorry. Turn that off when I do that. My barrel hurts, okay? We had a lot of pasta last night, as you saw. And then cheese and that.
Alright guys, tomorrow is Sabrina's birthday, so I'm not going to be filming that. So that day of Vlogmas is going to be skipped. And then we only have a few more days of Vlogmas before Christmas is here. And once Christmas is here, it's over. And I'm just now realizing I never addressed it. But let's get an F in the chat, boys. She's gone.
She's gone.
We had a good run.
F's.
We had a good run.
All the F's last night, and now they manifested today.
The pedo stash, the creeper stash, the LZ stash, the cop stash. Good things don't last forever.
Yep.
That being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace out and keep moving forward.